Good morning. My name is Johansson and my register number is URK25CS1018. Today I'm going to explain practicum number 11, which is dynamic memory allocation in C. Dynamic memory allocation is a technique where memory is allocated at runtime using functions like malloc, calloc, and realloc and free, which allows efficient memory usage. First, I will be explaining problem 1. I will begin with the execution in the Linux terminal. As shown in the output, I created the program using the command vi dynamic underscore array.c, then compiled it using the gcc command and executed is using the dot slash dynamic underscore array.c. The program asks the user to enter the number of elements and then accepts the elements of the array. After that, it calculates and displays the sum of all the elements, demonstrating the use of malloc. Next, I will be explaining the C program. So the program begins with including the standard libraries studio.h and stdlib.h. Inside the main function, a pointer is declared and memory is dynamically allocated using malloc based on the number of elements entered by the user. The program checks whether the memory allocation is successful, then accepts the elements using a loop and calculates the sum using another loop. So finally, the result is displayed and the allocation memory is freed using free to prevent memory leaks. Now, moving to the practicum 2, I will be explaining the execution in the Linux terminal. So basically, I created the program using the command vi dynamic underscore demo dot c, compiled it using the gcc command, and executed it using the dot slash dynamic underscore demo. The program first allocates memory using malloc and accepts elements from the user, then displays them. After that, it asks for a new size and uses realloc to resize the array dynamically, allowing the users to enter additional elements and displays the updated array. Finally, calloc is used to allocate memory, where all elements are initialized to 0 and displayed. Next, I will be explaining the C program. So the program begins with including a standard library and stdio.h. A pointer is used to allocate memory using malloc, and the program checks for successful allocation. Then realloc is used to resize the memory block without losing the existing data. And additional elements are stored. After that, calloc is used to allocate memory with default zero initialization, which is very important. At each stage, the program ensures memory is properly allocated and free is used to release the allocated memory to avoid memory leaks. This practicum clearly demonstrates how dynamic memory allocation is used. Thank you.